How to cook mayonnaise. Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is James Howe and this is Chef at Home. And today we continue on with my how to cook masterclass. So let's have a look at today's lesson. Okay, so in this lesson we're moving on to cold sauces. Cold sauces come in a variety of ways. I'd say 95% of the time will be served on cold starters, salads, or occasionally used to enhance a hot dish and add an extra depth to them. But we'll get to that. So the first 5 seconds of this video didn't give it away. Today's focus is a mayonnaise. So you're going to need 2 bowls and a whisk. And we're just going to separate the yolk from the white. You can use whatever method you prefer for this. You can just pour it straight through your hands and catch the yolk. Keep the whites, we can use them for something else. Arm yourself with a whisk. And then into that, about a teaspoon of mustard. Now you can use Dijon, French. I'm going to use a whole grain for the purposes of this. There's no right and wrong answer with that, it's just personal preference. So then just start whisking that together. And it won't take very long at all for the egg to start to become lighter, fluffier. It's a good workout for your triceps though. And once you hit this stage, right now you're going to need about 250 ml of oil. A nice olive oil or rapeseed oil, or maybe even a sunflower oil. And we're going to be pouring this in, but that gets a bit tricky if the bowl starts moving about. So what I like to do, just run a towel around like that, just place that on your bench, just tie it together. You've got like a little knot that'll just sit the bowl in there. It just stops it moving while you whisk it. So we're going to be adding a dash at a time. With each addition, we're making sure that the oil is completely combined. I'd say for a first time, just be over cautious and put in a bit less than you think you should. Because the last thing you want to do is for it to split. If you've got one, you can use an electric whisk. It might make your life a little bit easier. But I think it's important you can do things by hand first before you start adding gadgets into the equation. Around about the halfway mark, you can probably start adding a little bit more with each addition, because the base of the emulsion's already there. But if you're not confident, just take it slow. So once you got to the point where all the oil is in, a little bit of salt and pepper. If you add the salt before you hit this stage, you run the risk of the salt reacting with the yolk and it stops it from forming. Then about 2 teaspoons of vinegar or lemon juice. I've gone with vinegar this time. And again, just whisk that through. As soon as the vinegar hits and reacts, it'll get a lot paler, a lot creamier, and you'll end up with this lovely, lovely mayonnaise. Now just grab yourself a little pot. And there you are. Super quick, super easy. Real time, that's taken about 4 minutes to put together. And that is a basic mayonnaise. Now from here, you can do whatever the hell you like. You can put lemon juice in, you can put loads of herbs in, you can use different mustards. You can really massively experiment with just this basic recipe. That was just a quick one for today. Again, very, very simple, but it's a key skill that you need to know, and that's why it's in this masterclass. But a bit of homework, go and experiment and see what flavours and combinations work for you. But for now, thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.